So I'm currently upstairs in the flybridge, and I've used this product on our vinyl chairs throughout the interior of the boat. And like I said, it's sort of a magical process because it literally goes from looking like this to looking like this in just a matter of seconds. It is amazing, and I love it because you get to see the results instantaneously. So here's a quick update on my progress. I'm about halfway done with the first settee up above. This is the first half that I've done, and then this is the part I have left to do. See the difference? Oh my gosh, it's just so amazing. Look at that.